Konnichiwa! Welcome back to my lesson. Today, you'll be able to specify which object you are talking about and also visit my collection at the festival. Based on the basic structure X and Y des, you learn item positions, number 1000 to 9000, and how to stimulate your learning. Are you ready? This is a part of my online course, Master Speaking Japanese. Please see the description box below for more details. If you want to master speaking, please subscribe and set the bell. You'll gain confidence. 1. Let's go to a Japanese event. The most popular Japanese events in London are Japan Matsuri and Hyper Japan. This is my student who performed judo here. Many shops sell Japanese products, like this. Now you found photo exhibitions. 写真 is photo. Today I'll focus on the main part of the conversation and then skip the beginning and ending. Wow, this 写真 looks really nice. But what is this? Let's ask. Remember you studied これは何ですか in lesson 4. Can you say that? Actually, これ indicates both the photo and the fan decorated here. It's not clear for the staff. So here you say この写真は何ですか? この写真 is this photo. この needs something to modify, in this case, 写真. Repeat after me. この写真は何ですか? この写真は何ですか? 盆踊りです。Of course, その写真は is omitted. Remember from lesson 4. Do you remember Japanese boundary of objects これ? The same idea here, but you need to specify which object. For example, このボール。それ position. そのボール。あれ。あのボール。どれ becomes どのボール。Okay? Repeat after me. このボール。そのボール。あのボール。どのボール。Let's enjoy more photos. Oh, look at that. That's familiar. I guess hot spring is called onsen? Let's check. Okay, you try first. Yes! その写真は温泉ですか? はい、温泉です。Yes! Wow! That photo looks beautiful. But where is it? Let's ask. Good! あの写真はどこですか? 伊勢です。Okay, now you came to my collection. I display many photos too. What is 1000 in Japanese? Let's learn 1000 to 9000 in Japanese. I'm sure you remember 1 to 10 from lesson 6. From lesson 10 to 90 from lesson 7. And from 100 to 900 from lesson 8. Okay, repeat after me. 1000, 2000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 9000. And be careful about these irregular ones. 3000, 8000. これは東京タワーです。When was it built? Yes, 1958年。Very good. これは東京スカイツリーです。It's built in? Yes, 2012年。これは富士山です。The highest mountain in Japan. Do you know how high? Yes, 3776メートル. I grew up with this view. Please master all the numbers up to 9000. Okay, let's summarize the lesson. What are the new expressions? Yes, この object, その object, あの object, and どの object. And 1000から9000. Now learning tip. Experience is a great learning. As you already know, language learning requires both input and output. Krashen suggested to select input, which is understandable and a bit challenging for you. Swain suggested to speak out the expression in order to check if it's understood by the listener. Today, let's focus on behaviorism approach. Skinner said you can create new habits by repeating stimuli and responses. So the experience is the key. In language learning, repetitive practice and drill and rote work are good examples. As I mentioned on lesson 2, it's like learning sports and just knowledge doesn't help. I want to support your self-study and design the repetitive speaking practice in various situations that you'll encounter. And you'll never get bored. It's available from masterspeakingjapanese.com. Wow, you're nearly the end of part 1. In the next lesson, you'll learn belonging no and number 10,000 to 90,000. So don't miss out and please subscribe and set the bell if you haven't. Thank you for learning my language. Let's keep going. Please click like and share if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now.